roses are red, violets are blue.
Here you are.
No,
Well, the evidence is right here.
You already...
See, oh wait, no, there's another one. Who is this female? This chick just came up to you. You got Roblox pussy, my guy. You got so much.
No!
What are you talking to some other girl about?
No,
about
my house.
sex. Wait, that's not the right one. I can't. Hold on. I'll find it in a second. Oh, you got 2 bitches in your house. Holy shit!
So, my friend must have opened the door.
No, you got mad Roblox puss, my guy. Dead ass.
No. When someone leaves their door open, guests come in your house and then just invade.
Why is there bitches in your house?
I don't know.
Because they want that fire cock.
No, ew.
I love my daddy, my superhero.
Oh, shut up, you cunt!
Fuck you, you bitch.
Your mama.
Yo mama, yo bald-headed ass.
You mad?
I ain't mad, bitch. Look where you working at,
You
bro.
mad? Look where you at.
Alright, here I come, bitch.